USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you can subscribe, like, and press the bell thing, do all of that. And below the video, you can find my Telegram group. So you can join Telegram for free if you want. Check out the brokers, sign up with them, start a trading journey. And coming back to the chart here, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. In weekly, we are in the uptrend. So you can see this was your kind of double bottom, or this previous low did not break the previous low. I have told you many times in my Sunday videos. This is the start of the new uptrend in USDCAD as per the weekly. So this is your new high and new high, pullback, new high. Okay, so let's come back to daily. In daily, we are closing above the EMI. So surely this is the uptrend, as you can see the hammer here. So this was your new uptrend pullback, and now we are we are floating above the EMA right now. So this was your bull signal. The price closed above these lows. So new trend has started in daily. If you're a swing trader, this is your entry. Okay, if you are a swing trader, this is your entry. Let me give you free money if you want to. So our what we call stop loss. Sorry, our stop loss will be low. This is your last low. I think stop loss will be somewhere here. There you go. And your profit will be equals to 2. That's it. There you go. 4005. So you got potential of 180 pips. Okay. So if you enter, you can make 180 pips in this whole week. Okay. So this week, which is starting on Monday, is going to give you almost 200 pips if you trade USDCAD and take a long position. You can thank me later. This is free money I just gave you right now. Okay. This is your entry signal in daily chart. Enter here. This is your engulfing bullish. So all these 1, 2, 3, 4, all these lows, all these red candles are eaten by this blue candle. Then this is your hammer. Okay. Then this is your rejection on Friday. This is your hammer, which means we're gonna go up, baby. Okay. Your confirmation comes from 4 hour. This is your 4-hour signal. Okay. So this is your uptrend pullback. This is your entry. If you come back again, this was your entry right there. Okay, this is your entry again. Take 1:2 and thank me later. Leave your comments. If you are making free money from my videos, you can pay me my money. Okay, I'm not charging anything, but below my video you'll find a section which says pay my fees. Do whatever. Okay, subscribe, like, and I just have to inform you that my videos are making a lot of money if you trade as per my analysis most of the time. Okay. So nobody is perfect, nobody is correct all the time, but it's about being incorrect most of the time. So if I'm incorrect most of the time, that means I'm correct most of the time. Anyways, too much talking for free. So I give you free money, 180 pips. Nobody's giving that to you. Okay, subscribe, like, check out the brokers, and join Telegram. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.